Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can recover WhatsApp deleted message without a backup. So, before we start, I want to be very clear. Many videos online make false claims. If you do not have a backup, there is no 100% guaranteed way to fully recover deleted WhatsApp messages. WhatsApp does not store deleted chats on its server. That being said, there are a few things you can check depending on your situation. So let's get started. Open up WhatsApp application in your mobile device and then inside here simply sign in to your account. Once signed in, simply tap on the U button, scroll below and then tap on chats. Now inside chat, simply tap on chat backup and here you will see when your last backup was made and where it's stored, such as iCloud, iPhone or Google. If a backup exists from before the messages were deleted, you can recover them by uninstalling WhatsApp, reinstalling it, and choosing Restore Chat History during setup. However, if no backup exists at all, deleted messages cannot be restored. Exporting chat will not recover deleted messages. It only saves messages that are still present. There's one more thing you can check. Go back to Settings, tap on Account, and then simply tap on Request Account Info and then simply tap on Request Account Report. This will not reset deleted chat, it only provides account related information and limited metadata, not full message histories. So, to summarize, without a backup, WhatsApp messages cannot be fully recovered. Any method claiming otherwise is misleading. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.